All right, back again. I've made it about halfway so far. As you can see again, that's the peak I'm trying to make it to. Still got a ways to go, but man, this is an awesome workout. Beautiful view. Pretty much the whole. This is actually the western side of Najran, and you can see the Saudi flag over there in the distance, flying in the background there. That's where the actual stadium is, the soccer stadium, and awesome view, man. I mean, you can see everything from up here. And I'm only halfway, so it'll be much nicer to see what we can see once I get to the very top here. So it's taken me about, as expected, about 20 to 30 minutes to get about halfway. So I figure another half hour, 40 minutes to get all the way to the top. So